can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. We're still having a bubbling week in the altcoin market, altcoins pumping front, left, and center. Zcash has been the biggest winner this week. Zcash has seen a 189% move to the upside. But the big news is that, guys, Bitcoin has gotten to a new all-time highs. Bitcoin has traded for as high as $125,000, $725. Bitcoin trading new all-time highs. Ethereum trades above 4,000. Ethereum trades above $4,560. Total crypto market cap has gotten to a new all-time highs. In this video, we'll look at the Altcoin season index, the fear and greed index. Right now, market participants are greedy. We have been waiting for greed to return back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's some greed in the market. We'll also look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. The Bitcoin market is set to explode. Market participants are expecting an epic Q4. Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs to send the altcoin market pumping. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has been pumping front, left, and center, even though we are not officially yet in an altcoin season. According to the altcoin season index, we're not in an altcoin season. If you know what an altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is an altcoin season. And right now, Bitcoin is up 15% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. Over the next few days, I will expect us to slowly go towards an altcoin season. And greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. The fear and greed index has been a very, very good indicator to tell us when market participants are overexcited, when they are fearful, when it's the best time to buy, because what we're playing here, it's a game against other market participants. We're trying to buy as low as possible. We're trying to sell as high as possible. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, has rallied to new all-time highs, which means anybody in history that bought Bitcoin before today, it's in some sweet profit. All the Bitcoin bears before today are wrong, and all the Bitcoin bulls before today are right. Eventually, the bulls always win. The delusional bulls always win in a bull market. Bitcoin new all-time highs. Total crypto market cap new all-time highs. We have seen gold rally to new all-time highs. But guys, the warning signals are still flashing. There's still some bearish divergence across the board. Yes, Bitcoin can still go to higher prices, but don't be shocked if we are getting very, very close to the top historically. We're very, very close to the top. I will not be shocked if we see Bitcoin topping around October 13th. Why October 13th? October 13th will make it around 90 days when we saw Bitcoin pumping in the month of July. And by the time we get to that 90 days time, Bitcoin would have erased almost all the gains we made over the last 90 days. Bitcoin will just be up around 0% in the last 90 days. And we'll see a lot of altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. But right now, good news in the cryptocurrency market as altcoins are pumping. Happily, Bitcoin is still leading the chart. Because, guys, immediately altcoins start leading the charge. Immediately we start seeing Ethereum set new all-time highs without Bitcoin in the charge. Ethereum start leading the charge. That will be some telltale signs that there's trouble in paradise. Total crypto market cap has also rallied to new all-time highs. Total crypto market cap has gotten to as high as $4.23 trillion. The all-time highs. If your portfolio is not in all-time highs, guys, you made some wrong decisions along the way. Maybe you're not holding enough Bitcoin. Maybe you're not holding enough Ethereum. Maybe you bought the wrong altcoins. But all things being equal, to that crypto market cap, new all-time highs. To that crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, also have gotten to a new all-time high. So that crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, also at a new all-time highs. A lot of market participants are still skeptical about the rally because their portfolios are at all-time highs. A lot of market participants expected altcoins to pump aggressively, over-indexed on altcoins. But what has happened this cycle is that the large caps have actually pumped first. Bitcoin leading the charge, Ethereum leading the charge also, BNB new all-time highs, XRP, Tron, Cardano new all-time highs, Dogecoin. Now we're seeing old OG coins like Zcash also joining the party. But one signal that we've been quietly waiting for that will confirm that maybe, just maybe, the party is over is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 59.23%. Market participants are divided. Some market participants believe Bitcoin dominance will continue pumping to the upside, And some other market participants believe Bitcoin dominance will dump, leading us to that epic alt season. I believe Bitcoin dominance will dump. I believe from here onward to the end of the cycle, we're going to see altcoins outperform Bitcoin. And if altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, you expect Bitcoin dominance to dump. You expect retail investors to run to the altcoin market trying to get those gains. We're here in the market to get gains, but basically being a liquidity game against other market participants. The higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell some sweet profit. But don't get carried away. Remember, we can't continue going high forever. We can't continue pumping forever. At some point in time, the rally is going to come to an end, and we're going to see a big dump to Goblin Town. But that time is not now. If you look at liquidations in the cryptocurrency market, the last 24 hours have seen more than 118,000 traders getting liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $345 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $7.37 million betting on the price of Bitcoin. If you look at what Bitcoin has done in Q4 already, Bitcoin is up 8.8% in Q4. Market participants expected Q4 to be epic for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has already outperformed Bitcoin has already outperformed Q3. We saw Bitcoin rallying by 6.31% in Q3. Right now, Bitcoin is already up 8% in Q4. In the month of September, Bitcoin went up 5%. In the month of October, Bitcoin has already rallied up by 8% in the first week of October. Don't get carried away, guys. We saw Bitcoin setting new all-time highs in August of 2025. Bitcoin set new all-time highs, but we still ended the month in negative. I can see a scenario where Bitcoin will rally even to as high as maybe $130,000, $132,000, and we end the month of October in the negative. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. Right now, we're seeing a lot of altcoins giving us that end of cycle straight parabolic run. BNB has been one of the leaders. BNB has traded for as high as $1,192. BNB has rallied up, getting to new all-time highs. All market participants that bought BNB before this week and in some sweet profit. Zcash is another altcoin that's taking the charge. That's actually started going parabolic. We saw Zcash go from as low as $46 over the last 2 weeks, getting to as high as $175. If you look at the meme coin markets, Dogecoin, the king of meme coins, the cryptocurrency market, is up 21% over the last 30 days. Pay attention to the meme coin market, guys. When the meme coin market starts going crazy, when we see meme coins start going parabolic, that might be a telltale sign the cycle is coming to an end. The meme coin market is what tells us how irrational market participants can be. We've seen the meme coin market, total meme coin market cap get to as high as over $120 billion. I would not be shocked to see us maybe getting to as high as $150 billion in the general meme coin market. Remember, guys, market participants behave very rationally at the end of the market cycle, and the higher we go, the more we see a lot of people feeling FOMO. The higher we go, the more you start seeing crazy pumps to the upside. Don't get carried away. This time it's not different. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, Bitcoin is still the king of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is up 12% over the last 30 days. Bitcoin has gotten to new all-time highs. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, is just behind Bitcoin, lagging. Ethereum is up 5% over the last 30 days. In the last 60 days, Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin. BNB has gone to new all-time highs. It's up 38% in the last 30 days. Solana is up 15%. Solana trades around $235. Dogecoin has seen a 21% increase. Tron and Cardano have pumped up less than 10% over the last 30 days. Over the next 30 days, guys, I will expect the altcoin market to rage. I will expect the altcoin market to outperform Bitcoin. With total crypto market cap getting to new all-time highs, a lot of market participants are going to start going all in. The FOMO is real. Fear and greed indexes. Right now, there's some grade in the cryptocurrency market. We'll be expecting to see extreme grade over the next few days and the next few weeks. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. You're here to buy low, you're here to sell high, you're here to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, and when extreme greed returns, you want to sell for some sweet profit. We've seen sentiment bounce on the 26th of September 2026. Hopefully, we'll continue pumping to higher prices, but put in the back of your mind, guys, that the rally always comes to an end. This time, it's not different. After the pump comes the dump. After the dump, we will see another pump. But right now, as we're pumping to higher prices, let's know at some point in time, in the nearest future, we shall see some big dumps. For the altcoin season index, I believe we're going to see it heading towards altcoin season over the next few days. Right now, We have seen Bitcoin up 15% over the last 90 days, but a lot of altcoins are performing Bitcoin. ETH is up 79%, BNB is up 78%, Zcash is up 319%, all in the last 90 days. I expect to see more altcoins outperforming Bitcoin before the 14th of October 2025. I expect to see us head straight towards Altseason, and if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's when we say we're officially in altcoin season. We saw the crypto market enter altcoin season briefly over some last few weeks, but we got out of the altcoin season. I expect us to still head back to altcoin season at the exact time when market participants are singing Kumbaya, when there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market and altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. Don't get carried away, guys. Right now, a lot of bullish news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. You're going to hear more bullish news stories coming out over the next few days. You're going to hear about how Bitcoin can go to $1 million, how JP Morgan, how Citi, how different big market participants are having different targets for Bitcoin. But remember, guys, most market participants are bearish at the bottom, they are bullish at the top. For you to make money long term, you have to be bullish at the bottom and you have to be bearish at the top. Bitcoin powers to $125,000 peak as balance on exchanges fall to 6-year low. Bitcoin exchange balance plunged to a 6-year low as over $14 billion left SEX platform in the fortnight as the asset power to a new peak price. It's good to see Bitcoin is pumping to new all-time highs, but remember, guys, if you go back to the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on any time frame, if you zoom out long enough, you see that Bitcoin has always pumped in the past. It has always had some dumps, but every pump you see in the past eventually lead to a huge dump to gobbling town. If you look at Bitcoin, the monthly time frame, yes, we're at all-time highs right now, but you can see that over the years, there has been reduction in momentum. The RSI has been dumping over the last few years while the price has been increasing to higher values. I will not be shocked, guys, in a 1 year time, in 6 months time, we are here talking about Bitcoin trading like at $40,000. That's a crazy price. But right now, we're at all-time high, so expect irrational behavior over the next few days. We can easily just blast to as high as $130,000, $140,000. The cryptocurrency market is very volatile. Bitcoin is setting a new all-time highs on a random low liquidity weekend. That's how volatile the cryptocurrency market can be. If you look at some other news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, JP Morgan, Citi sees Bitcoin Q4 boom. Their price targets high above $200,000. Remember, guys, nobody rings the bell at the top. Nobody begs you to buy at the bottom. And most market news and most market predictions is to get you off guard, is to make you complacent at the top. Many major banks anticipate that Bitcoin will rise as high as $200,000 by the year end, driven by record ETF inflows and capital rotation from the gold market. Just like 2021, market participants were sure we are going to see $100,000. Bitcoin just stopped at $69,000, and that was the end of the bull market. I'm sure that right now, as market participants are expecting us to get to as high as $200,000, I won't be shocked to see Bitcoin not hitting any of this target. But Citigroup expect Bitcoin at the end of 2025 to reach $133,000, a new record high. That implies an 8.75% move to the upside. That's actually a very reasonable target. $122,000 Bitcoin was trading when this prediction was made. Right now it's at $125,000. For JP Morgan, they believe $165,000. That's how Bitcoin can go in 2025. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. How far do you think Bitcoin can rally in 2025? For Standard Chartered, they believe it's a $200,000 Bitcoin by 2025. Venex sees Bitcoin getting to $180,000 by 2025. Ethereum trades around $4,600. More attention should be paid, guys, to the altcoin market. The altcoin market is where most of the gains are going to be made. We're going to see a lot of smart whales flipping their Bitcoin to the altcoin market. We're going to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. Historically, that's what has always happened. I don't think this time is different. I believe we're going to see rational behaviors over the next 7 days in the market, over the next 14 days. Crazy things are going to be happening. Crazy pumps are going to be happening on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame. We've seen an example of that this week with BNB reaching to new all-time highs, with Zcash pumping, XP6900 pumping. Next week, market participants will expect more gains, they will expect more irrational behaviors, and everything is going to go crazy. But after that, a dump to gobbling town will begin. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Total crypto market cap has gotten to a new all-time highs. Bitcoin has gotten to a new all-time highs. We're expecting the altcoin market to join. We're expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. Which altcoins are you buying? How high will you sell for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.